Our advanced drone AI algorithms are designed to identify even the slightest indications of wildfire. The upgraded drone collects real-time data, which is then processed by our AI to trigger instant alerts and generate precise wildfire mapping for immediate action. These upgraded drones can scan vast landscapes with unparalleled accuracy, capturing everything from smoke plumes to infrared heat signatures. Beyond wildfires, our solutions address challenges in various sectors like agriculture, telecom, and construction. Weed detection. In agriculture, weed detection is a constant challenge. Our AI solution integrated with your drone captures real-time images of fields, offering a fresh perspective on crop management by identifying and managing weeds. Fruit inspection. Equipped with deep learning models, our drone solutions help locate and assess the state of your fruits, determining whether they are ready for harvest or need additional care for healthier growth. Livestock detection. Keeping track of unpredictable livestock is a challenge for ranchers. Our livestock monitoring drone solution accurately identifies their location, ensuring an exact count of whether they are in a herd or scattered across the surrounding area. Crack detection. Ensuring infrastructure integrity is vital. Our AI application empowers drones to detect cracks in pipelines, wind turbines, solar panels, buildings, and other hard-to-reach areas. Safety helmet detection. Safety first, especially on construction sites. Our AI drone application detects who is wearing a safety helmet, ensuring compliance with safety regulations. Landmine detection. Hidden landmines have claimed lives during wars. Our AI solution enables military drones to identify the placement of landmines, neutralizing this hidden threat. Asset detection. Our AI drone solution enables real-time tracking of people, objects, and vehicles to enhance public safety, security, and traffic management, reducing the need for extensive on-site personnel. Surveys and mapping. Our drone mapping application provides accurate data, eliminating the need for extensive field time and high surveying costs, even in inaccessible areas.